welcome to my channel. I have to make this intro super quick because I have to run to the school to bring my son new clothes because he got covered in mud. Of course. There was a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted to tell you guys, but it'll have to be in another video. This video is just me trying a whole bunch of new stuff, including the Smoke Sessions palette. Is it good? I don't know. You'll have to watch and find out. If you like this look, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Enjoy! I already did some of my skincare off camera. I put on my Mabel and Meg serum. I used the Freck Cactus Water to tone before the serum, obviously. Now I'm gonna use the Freck Cactus Seed Dry Serum. I've been using the new Freck skincare line for about a month. I am loving it. And all of the products are now available. The oil has the most incredible smell. It's really light, kind of floral. My skin is a little bit broken out right now because your girl is stressed. To prime, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer because I don't have a new one. Actually, maybe I do, but now it's too late. I always start by putting it in the center of my face where my pores are the most visible, and then moving it around to the rest of my face. I find it to be extra effective if you pat it in. So I recently went to Washington and went to an Ulta for the first time ever. Wow, it was amazing. I picked up a bunch of Flower Beauty because we don't have it in Canada. And today I'm gonna be trying the Light Illusion Foundation. I grabbed the shade Porcelain. Hopefully it's a match. Just putting a little bit right on my face and then blending it out with a sponge. I'd say it's about a medium coverage. I think the color is pretty good too. So far, so good. I also grabbed the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. We do have this brand in Canada, but we don't have the full line, and I've wanted to try this concealer. I love the wand. It's so big. This is the shade C2. Heard really good things about this concealer. It's been a while since I used a heavy concealer. I've kind of been leaving my skin really fresh, just using a little bit of foundation under my eyes. But with my skin being a little unhappy, I wanted to go a little bit fuller coverage today. This is blending out lovely. It is nice and full coverage. It doesn't seem cakey. I think I got a good shade. It reminds me a little bit of my X concealer. Shape Tape. This is looking quite excellent. The real test though will be how it sets with powder. And I got new powder, and I'm always really afraid to try new powder because usually it doesn't go well. Also from Makeup Revolution, I got two of these powders. They're luxury baking powders. I got one in the shade Lace and one in Ghost, which I'm guessing is translucent, like a ghost. Here we go. This is Ghost. I'm still using my damp sponge, and it's a baking powder, so I'm gonna bake with it. It's definitely a baking powder. It goes on real thick. It's really sticky. I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna dust it away and it's gonna take my foundation with it. I'm just gonna press it into the areas that get really oily. And then I'm gonna take the Lace shade and I'm gonna dust it on the rest of my face with a brush. I'm glad that I didn't use this under my eyes because it is darker than it looks. It does have a nice finish though. Just using stippling motion so I don't sweep away my makeup. Let's see what happens when we dust away this powder. Still using kind of a stippling sweep. It definitely looks like it's gonna have flashback. It did kind of stick in some areas. Like you can see there's a little blob of powder there that I can't seem to dust away. And a little bit in the creases under my eyes. I did expect it to be a little bit more brightening because it was so white. It looks all right. It's not perfect, but we can make it work. For some bronzing and sculpting, I'm gonna use the BH Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe. These crazy brushes are from Revolution. They sent them in PR, and even though they are a blatant ripoff of a different brand, I'm still going to use them, even though I can hear the liquid shaking when I use them, and it is kind of irritating. This is so lovely to blend. It is quite warm since it's a bronzer, not so much a contouring product. And I don't mind that on my face, but I am going to use a different product for my nose. To contour my nose, I'm going to use the LH Infinity palette. I'm going to use the light brown shade, just using a very small amount It is a little bit dark, but it's such a nice cool tone brown. I just shade down the sides and then shade a little circle on the tip. For brows, I got the Flower Beauty Brow Vixen Tattoo Effect Stain. It's a little felt. This is in the shade Soft Brown, and it's just adding in these tiny little fine light brown strokes. I thought it would be harder to use. It's quite user-friendly. Not super dramatic. It's not really giving me a whole lot of definition. I wish I would have grabbed more colors. I'm not sure if this is going to be the brow product for me. I might pass it on to my mom, who I think might like it. I'd really like to try a darker color. It does look quite nice though. Now I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Hydro Brow Gel. This is just a clear one. I'm just going to make them nice and fluffy, and we'll have just a chill brow today. Love me some chill brows. It's not really that chill, is it? Now that they're gelled up, I'm just gonna go back in with the pen and kind of fill in the holes that it has revealed. Moving on to some eyeshadow. I have got the new Smoke Sessions palette from Melt. She is such a beaut. I think that the shadows kind of expanded in the middle and they started to kind of come out of the pan. I tried to push them into the pan, but it almost seems like there's too much now to fit in, if you're wondering why it looks a little weird. First, I'm gonna grab this matte shade here, Space Queen. That was literally the smallest amount of eyeshadow. There she is. Did not mean for it to be dark. I'm gonna blend this out a lot because I did mean for this to be quite a light eye look. I just wanted a little something something in the crease. Melt eyeshadows are the bomb. They blend so good. Be careful with these. I literally lightly dipped my brush one time in that shadow. Not even the whole brush. I don't think you could ever hit pan. You need one granular of eyeshadow to do a whole look. And now I'm just gonna go nuts with Blue Dream because this shade is everything. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. I'm gonna blend this out all over, using slightly less over the crease, and then we'll go super heavy on the lid. Oh, it's so nice. Just so that I can try another shade in the palette, I'm gonna grab some Sweet Tooth and add that to the outer corner. Oh, I love it. For the lower lid, I'm just gonna use that light blue. These are almost like a cream. You have to be quite careful when dipping into them because they do break. I got it in my eyes and it burns. And now my eyes are all red. I guess that's appropriate for a Smoke Sessions palette look. Put a little bit of my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk in my waterline. I recently got a lash lift and I've been loving it, and I haven't worn mascara yet, so I'm really excited to put on some mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna try the Flower Beauty Warrior Mascara. It's got a plastic applicator. It looks quite nice. I think I'll try it on my bottom lashes today because I'm still searching, always searching for a mascara that does not transfer down here because my bottom lashes are quite long. I'm gonna try adding a second coat of this mascara just to see what it does. Okay, I think I love this mascara. I love the applicator. The formula seems pretty bomb. If this mascara wears nicely throughout the day and doesn't transfer, I think we may have just hit the mascara jackpot. We'll see. Fingers crossed. To highlight, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter for some extra sparkle. If you don't like a glittery highlight, this is not for you. It's not only glittery, it has like this amazing wet shine. Also gonna put some of that on the inner corner and brow bone. For blush, I'm gonna use the Matabout Mauve Blush Palette from Obsession. I like to bring it all the way across my cheeks, across my nose, because I am blush crazy. I like to look like I'm a little bit sunburnt, even though we have no sun. I'm gonna use my bronzer to put on a few freckles. Pretty much just use whatever I've got in front of me. for freckles. Usually there's something that I can use. While I was at Ulta, I grabbed the cherry scented Urban Decay setting spray because I haven't tried it. It smells so good. I forgot about my lips, didn't I? I'm gonna keep it super chill on the lips, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of gloss. This is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Gloss in the shade Naked. And that is the look. Super quick and easy. I really like it. No lashes, if you can believe it or not. And I cannot wait to use the rest of that Smoke Sessions palette. I'm really happy with every product that I tried today. Love the Revolution concealer, really like the Flower Beauty foundation, and if this mascara doesn't transfer, I'll be driving back to Washington to go to Ulta to grab more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this look, and I will see you in the next video.